Hi everyone. Today I'm creating a very tasty, very nice smoothie with kiwis and pineapples and bananas. We're going to use almond milk as the base. About 200 cups of almond milk is enough. Then you add the kiwis. These are frozen kiwis. These are pre-sliced and they're frozen. So you add them here. Then you add the bananas, which are sliced, and it's ready. It's frozen. It's ready. You put it here. This is like 1 medium banana. You put it here, and you add 150 grams of pineapples. I use sweet pineapples, so these are 150 grams. You put them here. And for the protein, you add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Right here, like this. And for extra protein, to make it creamier, you can add this 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Got it like this here. Then if you want honey, a little bit to make it a little sweeter if you want. That's enough honey. It's less than half it, like maybe a quarter tablespoon of honey, not even a teaspoon of honey. And you start the blender. And this is a perfect Hawaiian based smoothie, and has like plenty of antioxidants and fiber from the pineapples. And there's plenty of protein without the fat from the almond milk. So you add. Then you blend it for about 2 minutes, or as much time as you want for it to achieve your consistency. as you can see, I didn't add any ice because it's very cold with all the frozen ingredients in here. Now this is the perfect twist on a breakfast smoothie. You got plenty of all the ingredients you want for energy during the day. So you're gonna try it. It's very tasty. It has a mix of taste of the kiwi and the pineapples and the almond milk and almond milk and the creamy peanut butter. So this is be like, I don't know, I guess you'd like this smoothie if you tried it. So try it, I guess. So well, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.